Hey guys, what's up? We are getting another later start to the vlog. It's currently 1:07 and I just changed. I got ready. I woke up late. I woke up at 12:50 because I'm so tired. Because these past couple of days, like, I've just been waking up early, staying up late, editing the vlogs. It's been a lot. And then my finals and work. You want a Bugatti? You want a Maserati? You better work. But it's fine. We are all fine. Alright, like I said, we're getting a little later start to the vlog. I am on my way to work, as you can tell by my white shirt. I didn't eat because I woke up late. But yeah, we are on our way to work. Yeah, that's about it. Should I do a time lapse? Because I haven't done one in forever. Let's do it. Cue the time lapse. Boom. Was I recording? That was a little sister scary. Alright, up to time. I just got to work. I'm gonna go change because I'm already late.
6.5 hours later.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I didn't really get a lot of vlogging done, so we're gonna do a cooking with Armando because I'm hungry. So here are the materials you need. You're gonna need some tortillas, some ham, and of course you need some cheese, oil, and some tongs. And a plate would be great too. Basically 2 tortillas together, and then there's cheese. Oh, that did not look cute. There's 2 tortillas with cheese inside, but there's also an option to put ham, or you could do like chicken fajita or stuff like that. But Mexican quesadillas, you just get 2 tortillas, cheese, and ham. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten all day. So we're gonna get our tortillas. Let me show you from the box. So we have our 2 tortillas. And we're gonna get our mozzarella cheese. We're gonna sprinkle that on there. And then this tip's optional. Get some hammers. And then put it on top, and then you just put that together. And I like to do it like multiple at once, so I can just have it there ready to go. So there really is no trick to this. You just get the cheese, get the ham, and then you just cook it in the pot. I mean, yeah. You just fry it, basically. So I'm gonna make myself probably 4, because I'm hungry. And I already have my pot heating up so it can be ready to go. And I always recommend to put the cheese in the bottom and then the ham, so when you lay it flat in the pot, the cheese can melt first, so whenever you need to flip it over, all the cheese won't fall out. So that's one thing I do recommend. The next step You need some oil. We have our pot. And then we already put it on. We're gonna put some oil in there. Make sure it's healthy. Just kidding. We're gonna let that sit there for a little bit. Make sure it's on there. Okay. And then we have our things prepped. We're gonna get one, make sure the cheese is in the bottom, and then you just lay it on there. Currently watching the vlog. This is how it looks. You let it sit there and you let it cook for a little bit of time, and then you can always pick it up and see if the cheese is melted, and then that's when you get your tongs and then you flip it over. And that's how you make a quesadilla. So like I said, you have your tortilla, your cheese, your oil, your ham, and then you get your tortilla. Oops, what is this? Oh, an extra one. You have your tortilla, you just put cheese, put the ham, put another one, and you just let it sizzle and you let it cook. Like this. This is my tripod. I have you sitting on top of that. Yeah, you just let it sit there, you wait for a couple of minutes. And then you also want to have another plate. Oops. Another plate with a napkin. For each quesadilla you make, you want to have a napkin, because my mom taught me that you put it on here and then you wrap it in the napkin so it can soak up the grease, so you can consume less grease. So that's a little mom life hack for ya. Thanks, Mom, if you're watching. Love ya. And I miss. So I think it's time that we flip this and try to do this 100. And we can always flip this up. Yep, it's good to go. See, from here you just get it. I'm scared because I've never done this with one hand. Let me do this with two. There we go. I usually flip it with two, not one. So this is how it should look. It should look crispy and brown like that. And then you let the other side cook, and that's how you make a quesadilla. Just getting oil in my lens. It's all good. Okay, let's put you down.
Guys, there's squirrels eating my pumpkin right now. I saw a hole earlier, and I knew it was squirrels, and now I see them. I see you, sucker. Oh my goodness! They're eating it! Well, at least I don't need it anymore. You know what real adulthood is? Having...
Once it's good to go, get your plate and your napkin, and then you just place it on there. This is how it should look. Crispy and brown. You put it on there, and then you wrap it, or you like fold it over, and you flip it over, and as you go on, you just place them on there, and you can already see and sucking at the grease. I'm gonna run to my room really quick. We're gonna get my lighter. No, I'm not gonna burn down the house. I put this out in my apartment, and I wanna light it up. It's still spanking new. There it goes. We gotta flip this. Also, meanwhile, I'm gonna snack on the lunch bowl. Hello? Haciendo de comer. update. Yesterday I was literally wearing the same outfit. I literally wore the same outfit. I just threw my shirt in the dryer and I threw on the same sweater. But it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. We're all fine. Shouldn't even mention that because I'm pretty sure nobody even noticed. Alrighty, so I made my quesadillas. Let me show you how good they look. Let me get the lighting. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. That's a napkin and a lifting it up. Okay, let's try this again. That's a napkin. You see how it absorbs the grease? I make myself laugh. So this is what it looks like. Let me just open her up so you can see like how the cheese is like. I'm so ready to eat this. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna have so much fun because I've been so freaking hungry. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna watch some Vlogmases. Gonna edit this vlog. Gonna upload it. Gonna go to sleep. It's currently 10:20 on the dot. As you can see right there. 10:20. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know I said Sunday was supposed to be fun, but they decided to keep me at work longer. And I was expecting to get off at 5. But I got off at 9. It's fine. It's fine. More hours, more money. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with Armando, the first cooking with Armando. Ooh, we should start a segment. I'm just kidding. I don't really cook that often, but it's fine. It's fine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Vlogmas day 10. Oh my god. We're already in the double digits. Literally have this week, next week, and then it's Christmas. And I still haven't decorated my room. Oh my god, it's like finally hitting me. Sister shook. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 10. 10. Okay, bye.